My people, now welcome back to another video. If today na the first day we be say you see my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, I thank you. I greet you now so much. Thank you one until they come back until they watch my video. So guys, today's video I will show you how to fry plantain, aka dodo. Yes, so this na my plantain. I will use 4 plantain. The plantain I don't wash them already, so I can't cut them, peel them, then I can't begin slice them. I slice them into 2 shapes, the round shape and the long shape. Now see I just now when the slicer, so this now my rubber, then I can't begin the slicer. This now the round shape. I dey like this round shape well. So my people, if today on the first day you just see my YouTube channel, I beg make you not fail to subscribe, may you not forget to subscribe, may you like my video, share, leave nice comments for me, okay? Thank you also my returning subscribers. When I say they come, because they watch my video, now God now go bless you now. I see you now hand on, God will bless you now. So guys, so after I don't cut the round shape finish, so I can set that one aside, then I can begin to cut the other shape. So now we'll see I just now this now without anything, maybe cutter, as you guys can see. Yes, with knife you can actually cut it like this. Are you guys seeing it? So I can't cut them. So make una enjoy the rest of the video. So my people, the plantain I don't cut and finish, then I can sprinkle some salt for the plantain, then I can stir them together, make the plantain and the salt make them marry each other well. Then I can stir everything together. So now make we begin to fry the plantain. Then my oil don't dey fire already, don't hot. That na onions. I just put onions for inside the groundnut oil just to have some flavor. If you be say you never dey fry this your plantain like this, you dey miss. So then after that one, then I can put my plantain. See, if you want make your plantain not soak oil, make sure to let the oil make it hot well. Let the oil hot before you put your plantain. If your oil not hot, you go put plantain, the plantain will soak oil, and that one not be wetin you want. Then this one don't fry finish, then I can remove. So guys, my plantain don ready. See as e fine for face. You dey confused right now, say wetin you wan cook for your family. Now I don give you idea. Fry plantain right now for your family. Make una take egg take mamara. So guys, if you like this video and you enjoy this video, abeg make you press that red button there wey say subscribe, like and share. I'll see you again for my next video. Bye bye.